Hi everybody, Todd Helms with Eastmans Hunting Journals, here today on this beautiful, roughly 0-degree day to bring you a Gear Lab review on the UCO Gear line of fire starting products.
Down to just about freezing.
So the first product is the UCO Gear Sweet Fire Starter Tabs. These would be something that you would carry in your pack and be able to light these with a match or some other external fire source. These are going to burn for about 6 minutes. They are made from a renewable biofuel material. It's kind of a sugarcane waste material. It's a fibrous tab. You can pull it apart a little bit. We're going to try to light this thing up and see what it does. We'll see. And it's going. I've got more than enough flame there to wad up some of this grass and put it on here and get a little bit of a fire started. No doubt about that. Oh yeah, look at that. It's going to take right off. The next product I'm going to talk about are the UCO Gear Sweet Fire Strikeable fire starters. They're a tab of the same material, but they have a lightable tip. So what these do in my mind is I'm already envisioning eliminating matches from my fire starting kit, because if I've got a strikeable tip on these, it's going to function as a 2-in-1. So let's see how this thing works. I'm going to open the box up. They even come with a handy dandy little strike pad. UCO says they have a burn time of about 7 minutes, similar to the Sweet Fire tab. And I think the reason they're going to burn longer is they're bigger. There's more material here, but you can see I've got a pretty well stormproof, waterproof tip. And this should light right up. Boy, that was slick. That lit right up. And I can stand that up because it's a pyramid shape. And boy, ouch, that thing is hot. And it is going to town. It is burning like crazy down there. But I should have lots and lots of time to get a fire built around this thing. Sprinkle some of this finer stuff over the top. And that's catching already. These will definitely be in my backpack come fall. This tab has still got plenty of burn life and it's smoldering away. I could get that flame rekindled. There's no problem with that. So the third and final product, Titan Stormproof Matches. Titans come in this nice kit. It's got a waterproof gasket. They also have a strike strip along the side of this plastic container. So I'm going to open them up. In the top of the lid, I've got some tinder that if I needed to use it, I could. And it's designed to keep the top of your matches from being crushed or banged around and keep them tight. I'm going to pull one of these out, and the first thing you're going to see is the sheer size. I like how long these are because that length of that match not only provides some burn time, roughly about 30 seconds to a minute, but it's going to keep my fingers away from that blaze. That is almost like a flare, and it's burning away like crazy, and I'm going to set that down. But as you can see, that Titan match burned down all of the incendiary material that was on the shaft of the match, but it didn't burn the matchstick itself. If I got a fire started, it would burn up and burn away. But that match is going to light in just about any kind of weather that you're going to have to deal with in the backcountry. So the next time you're out looking for fire starting products to carry in your backpack, give the UCO Gear products a try, and I will definitely be carrying them in 2018.